This is a text document from the old Pocket Word for PDAs. It is not the same as a desktop Word doc. You can open it in Word, but you might need to install a legacy converter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your PWD, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. A PWD file can represent either a Pocket Word document or a password file, depending on the context. Pocket Word documents were used on older mobile devices, while password files store sensitive login information. It's crucial to determine the file's origin to handle it correctly, whether it involves opening a document or managing stored credentials. The design of a PWD file varies significantly based on its purpose. Pocket Word documents likely follow a proprietary format, optimized for mobile devices with limited resources. Password files, on the other hand, employ encryption and secure storage mechanisms to protect the contained credentials from unauthorized access. For PWD, the most practical first step is using Pocket Word or Password Manager. Windows is unable to interpret the specific configuration values within the file. Windows offers only surface-level details, while the actual content must be decrypted in compatible software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the PWD file and select Open with. Test Pocket Word Password Manager if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. When a PWD file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using Microsoft Office Word, WordPad, Emacs, or TextMaker XE. Next, check for Pocket PC association. Recognize that the file is likely associated with the Pocket Word document Pocket PC format. Finally, use Password Manager. If the file is a password backup, use a dedicated Password Manager utility to import or manage the saved passwords. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.